Epoxy flooring versus hardwood flooring. Dear friends, choosing the right flooring means finding the perfect balance of style and function. Wooden floors bring a classic warmth and a sense of traditional elegance. Meanwhile, epoxy flooring presents incredible advantages in terms of durability, versatility, and low maintenance, making it an increasingly popular choice. 1. Durability. Epoxy. Known for its incredible durability, epoxy flooring can withstand heavy foot traffic, machinery, and even chemical spills without cracking or chipping. Hardwood. While hardwood floors add natural beauty and elegance, they are more prone to scratches, dents, and moisture damage over time. 2. Maintenance. Epoxy. This type of flooring requires minimal maintenance. Regular sweeping and occasional mopping are usually enough to keep it looking fresh. Hardwood. Hardwood floors need regular refinishing to maintain their appearance, especially in high-traffic areas. They also require special cleaning products to avoid damage. 3. Aesthetic appeal. Epoxy. Epoxy floors offer a modern, sleek look that can be customized with a variety of colors, patterns, and even metallic finishes. Hardwood. Hardwood has a timeless and natural beauty that can suit both traditional and contemporary spaces, but options for customization are more limited compared to epoxy. 4. Cost. Epoxy. Generally, more cost-effective, especially considering its longevity and low maintenance requirements. Hardwood. Often more expensive to install and maintain, but it can add significant value to a home. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.